Yellow lentils. Lentils are an essential part of many diets around the globe, providing nutrient-rich goodness and digestive aid. Among the various types of lentils available, some stand out for their versatility in cooking, nutritional value, and digestive benefits. Including legumes in your diet has many benefits. This article delves into the advantages of having yellow lentils to reap their nutrient-filled goodness and digestion-facilitating properties. Yellow lentils, also known as toor dal or arhar dal, are small, flat legumes that come from the legume family. Yellow lentils are a type of small, flat legume from the legume family. They are widely used in many dishes, such as curries, soups, stews, and even desserts. They are popular in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisines. One of the reasons for their popularity is the mild, nutty taste they bring to dishes. This flavor can elevate any meal they are added to. One of the main reasons why yellow lentils are considered a nutrient-rich food is their impressive nutrient profile. Yellow lentils are highly regarded for their nutritious properties due to their abundant nutrient content. Legumes are a great source of protein for vegetarians and vegans. They provide an excellent plant-based alternative that is both nutritious and filling. A single cup of cooked legumes provides about 18 grams of protein, which is comparable to the protein content found in meat or dairy products. Yellow lentils are rich in protein and contain a variety of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are an excellent source of nutrition and can be used in a variety of recipes. Fruits and vegetables are an essential part of a healthy diet. They provide essential vitamins and minerals, which are necessary for maintaining good health and well-being. They are also a good source of folate, iron, magnesium, and potassium. One of the outstanding health benefits of yellow lentils is their ability to support good digestion. Yellow lentils are great for aiding in proper digestion. They are high in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which adds bulk to the stool and helps prevent constipation. Whole grains are an important part of a healthy diet, as they provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are packed with essential nutrients that promote better digestion and help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, they are a great source. Yellow lentils are an excellent source of protein, carbohydrates, and fiber. They are also packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritious option for one's diet. Furthermore, these legumes provide enzymes that help with digestion, making them for individuals with digestive issues or those who simply want to support their digestive health, including lentils in their diet can be highly beneficial. Moreover, yellow lentils have a low glycemic index, which means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Yellow lentils have a low glycemic index, meaning their impact on blood sugar levels is minimal. Whole grains are an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. They are a great source of dietary fiber and other essential nutrients, and they can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Whole grains. The blend of carbohydrates, fiber, and protein helps keep blood sugar levels stable and gives a reliable source of energy throughout the day. Another standout feature of yellow lentils is their versatility in cooking. The versatility of yellow lentils in the kitchen makes them a standout. Legumes are an incredibly versatile food source and have a relatively short cooking time. They can be cooked in approximately 20 to 25 minutes, making them a convenient option for busy people. Ready-made meals can be a great solution for busy weeknights. They are simple to prepare and require minimal effort. This makes them a perfect choice when time is limited and you need something quick and easy. Lentils can be used to create a range of dishes, from soups to curries and salads. They can even be used as a substitute for meat in burgers and patties. They have a mild taste that allows them to soak up the flavors of the spices and seasonings they are cooked with, making them a great component for various dishes. In conclusion, yellow lentils are a nutrient-rich food that offers several health benefits. In conclusion, a nutrient-rich food offers several health benefits. They are an excellent source of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them an invaluable part of any diet. Yellow lentils are an excellent choice for those looking to improve their digestive health and regulate their blood sugar levels. They provide digestive assistance and are low on the glycemic index. With their fast cooking time and ability to be used in multiple recipes, yellow lentils are an easy and delicious way to increase your nutrient intake and improve your general health and well-being.